Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today almost weekend on Friday, April the 8th, 2022. We have here two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a heavy Sudoku. And good news, we have good news and bad news. We have also an additional with six extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic with 4 stars, and a 1 star, and a one binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Good news, extra puzzles, but sad news. Today, the Russian army has a missile strike. Yes, a missile strike in Ukraine. Kramatorsk. The missile landed on. They strike the train station with people leaving leaving the area. Yes, so a lot of civilians are killed. Maybe 50 people, I do not know, but sad news in the Ukraine, of the Ukraine war. Yes, anyway, let me continue with the puzzles. Sudoku Light number 4377. 4377. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have 9 big squares, contains 4 printed digits, so 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, definitely a 1 star, but the 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one has 36, so it should be an easy one. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Maybe this one in 12 minutes or 30 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see, the 8. We have 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright, we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then. How about the 7? 7 in the last column. 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row. 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. Okay. And now. Let me see. How about? Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah, let me use the 3. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row. 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay. 3 in the third column. 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3, I believe. Yeah. I need more information. Need to wait. How about the number? The 1 in this column. The 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only place left for the 1 should be there. A 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Okay, here we have 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet, I need more information. That means 1 box left in this big square. For number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Okay. Alright, the 6. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. Oh well, I can now continue with the 3 then. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Same for here, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 1 box or 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 here in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. That means here also 2 and a 5. 2 numbers left in this column, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here are also 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 5. Number 5. Okay. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And also, in the middle row, the 2 and the 4 are missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 6 and the 5, 4. So we 6 and the 4 are missing. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 it goes there. Same for here, the same numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you. Maybe in 12 minutes I solved this puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these Santa boxes. I'm collecting those data for more than 7 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have here the 274, the 274, the 196, 196, and 368, 368. 1 pair, the 6. Yeah, only 1 pair. All right, thank you. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, Sudoku Heavy. Until then, bye-bye for now.